our goal and kind of what we want to do with these backpacks.
Our students are working on mental health campaigns for Mental Health Awareness Month.
This is our backpack training.
This was a partnership with one of our YSOs and our students to help officers respond to students in crisis, really any student or any community member with a backpack full of different sensory items.
So we wanted to create these backpacks for kids with sensory needs for all the YSO officers kind of around in the district. Inside we have things like the headphones.
We have these colored pencils, which two of our other students are putting coloring sheets in these. It's like there'll be little positive affirmation ones.
And then we have these weighted socks. They're filled with rice, which can help to kind of like, you know, put over your neck or just kind of like have some kind of weighted grounding tool.
So we have motion sheets in the backpack, and we have one with emojis on them.
As a youth service officer, and even when I was on patrol, we would interact with individuals that were either on the spectrum or nonverbal or experiencing some sort of traumatic event. We didn't have any tools available to us that would help us interact with those people.
We have 2 pairs of earplugs, sunglasses.
Well, I think it's really to help reduce stigma and also help promote like partnership between our YSOs and our students and our community members.
I think it's really cool that we were given the opportunity to directly help them in what they do with the kids that go to our schools. Like, these are direct classmates that they work with, and I just think it's really cool to be a part of like helping other kids and helping these officers with their jobs and just spreading awareness around it too.